Hello everyone. So, what do you think about it is possible to have HTML using the first version and without good CSS, style sheets, and practice, but have the same result or almost the same using CSS3, Ruby on Rails with broadcasting. So let's try understand a little bit about this. Okay, we have here an HTML, okay, with a lot of frames and for using table. This is the CSS, okay, just with colors, alignments, class, a lot of the basic that we should have, nothing more. Okay. Okay. So for each iframe, I have another HTML file like the header, sidebar, main, footer, and let's take a look in sidebar. I consume this API. Okay, I have this ID. Take a look here. This, and for each participant, I create this element, this HTML element, and it is for me, okay, you, but it is for another user, just the name, right? Let's take a look in the main HTML. It's more complicated, but the same. I also have the API here consuming this endpoint, and as you can see, it is for me okay too, but it is for another recipient or user. I will display the name. So this is the HTML1 version. Okay, let's test. Okay, and this one, it is using Ruby on Rails but with broadcasting, Solid, and Tailwind. When I talk with Anna or send something, the model will dispatch the event using broadcasting. Let's take a look. Okay, the message. After create comment, broadcast, chat, target. Right? Just this. And here we have the result. Okay, and here I also have the same. And why? It is because here I am using the refresh with 5 seconds. Yeah, or maybe let's see, scrolling, no, main is 5 seconds for each one. So I will say now, okay, hello Pedro, hello Pedro, and I will say now for everyone. This is how was in HTML1, old school. that is global, and here global, the same. Okay, thank you, bye.